Welcome to Tech Future. Samsung might be adding a new air quality sensor to its first rollable phone based on a recently discovered patent. This patent describes a sensor embedded in the rollable display, suggesting a potential leap in foldable display technology. The patent, reported by Yeno Design via leaks from Pigtea and Leaks, confirms Samsung's work on a rollable display that slides out to a larger size when needed. It details an airflow system that channels external air through pathways in the phone's body to the sensor, providing real-time air quality data. The sensor is exposed only when the display is expanded, remaining covered in compact mode. This system may also offer passive cooling benefits, though no active fan intakes are mentioned, which are typically found in gaming phones. The collected air quality data could be displayed to users similarly to how phones show daily step counts. Stay tuned for the latest updates on Samsung's next phone. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for future uploads.